Hello friends, welcome back to Giggling Minds Flavors. Today's recipe is vegetable fried rice. Without any delay, let's get into the preparation. Here are the ingredients. Cooked rice 3 cups, ghee 2 tablespoons, oil 2 tablespoons, cinnamon sticks, cloves 2, cardamom 2, onions 2, cut into long thin pieces, green chilies 3, ginger a small piece, garlic 4 cloves, carrots cut into lengthy medium pieces 1 cup, beans cut into lengthy medium pieces 1 cup, salt to taste, cashew nuts, dry grapes for garnishing. Now let's start preparing. Here we are using basmati rice. Heat the ghee in a pan. Add oil to it. Add cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Stir fry. Add onions. Stir fry until it becomes golden brown. Make a paste out of green chilies, ginger and garlic and add to it. Stir fry. Add beans. Stir well. Add carrots. Stir well. Add salt. Stir well. Add 2 tablespoons of water and mix well. Now cover it with a lid and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir well and add cooked rice to it. Mix well thoroughly. Garnish with cashew nuts, dry grapes and onions fried in ghee. Vegetable fried rice is ready. You can have it with simple vegetable salad, paneer crispy will taste good with fried rice. Check out the link for paneer crispy recipe in the description box. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll come up with another recipe soon. Until then, take care.